This was the best announcement so far this E3.
They got a new console? Already? Nah. Nah, they got a mini fridge? Bro, you know Xbox is down bad when I want to buy the mini fridge over the console. I want to buy the mini fridge, bro. I could put all my freaking little beers in that shit. I could put my freaking, what's that shit called? Bro, I could put my Bud Lights in there.
All the YouTubers but Deji beat their TikTok opponent. Only cause this man didn't train and got asthma. Not Bato.
Yo, where can I buy this? Xbox and chill. If you don't shut your ass up. Yo, I'm throwing money at this. I'm throwing money at the mini fridge.